In this video, we will show you how to change the cabin air filter on your Ford Fusion. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open the passenger door to give you easier access to the cabin air filter located behind the glove box. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 7mm socket, unscrew the first 2 bolts holding the glove box. To gain access to your cabin air filter, you need to remove the trim panel from the dashboard. Open the glove box. Using a car trim removal tool, unclip the trim panel from the dashboard. It is now necessary to remove the passenger dash vent. Pull on it to unclip it. Lastly, unscrew the last bolts. You can now shift the glove box. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the plastic tab. Then remove the glove box. You now have access to the cover of the cabin air filter flange. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 2 holding screws. Open the cover. Take out the cabin air filter. Before putting in the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. You can order the cabin air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new filter. Pay attention to the direction of airflow. The arrows on the filter should point down. Place the filter in its slot. Close the cover. Then screw the 2 retaining screws back in. Bring the glove box closer. Plug the electrical connector back in. Put the glove box back in place by clipping it back onto its slot. Then screw the first 2 bolts back on. Put the passenger dash vent back in place. Put the trim panel back in place. Then screw the last 2 bolts back on. Operation complete.